Subscribe to Technobrain channel for latest videos and updates. Hello everyone, welcome to Technobrain channel. In this video I will be unboxing the Cooler Master V850 volt power supply. So let's get started. This is how the outer packaging looks like. So inside we have this user manual. It has configuration and the instructions for the power supply. It's a computer power supply, which we also call an SMPS. This is the bag which contains all the cables. Since it's a modular power supply, so we get no cables already attached to the main unit. So I will show you the cables later, and this is the bag of the SMPS. So this is a 850 watts SMPS and comes with a hybrid fan. Here we have the hybrid button. Till 40% load the fan doesn't start if we enable this mode, and these are all the modular cable connectors. So this power supply is a 80 plus gold power supply. That's all we have in the box. Let's keep it aside. Here is the main unit. Now I will show you the cables. In this bag we get all the cables. Here we have the PCI Express cable. All the connectors are marked where you have to connect them to the PSU. Here you can connect the cable to the SMPS like this. 6 PCI Express cable connectors, which are 8 pin connectors. These are the Molex and the SATA cables. And it's a version 2 power supply, so we get 2 types of CPU connectors, 24-pin motherboard connector. Overall this power supply is very good, and it's a very robust power supply. That's why it comes with a 10 years warranty. And these are the 8-pin PCI to dual PCIe 8-pin connectors. I have ordered this separately, they don't come with the power supply. I have ordered this power supply from Amazon, and here you can connect this splitter like this. These splitters are mainly used for mining purpose to get graphics card. Alright everyone, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.